One thing that's quite cool living here in hell is I only have about 15 minutes to go to the airport. It's been quite a while since I made a video for you, and I'm hopefully gonna make more videos now. Today I am going home to finally be doing some work on the bike, and got some parts that I can finally put on it. Soon gonna be done with school and just have half a semester left, and just got doing much more racing and bringing you guys along. And if you thought that I was kidding, that I lived in hell, I'm not. I don't know why, but every time I take you to the garage, I feel like it's a mess here. And just a quick recap of how the last season went, the 2021 season. The Superbike exhaust. So that was my first crash of the year, and also the most expensive one. And as you can see, but one thing, the helmet actually did a pretty good job though, because as you can see the scuff marks. The Superbike helmet did quite good. And as you can see, my fairing has gotten some scuff marks. And, oh. It's Eddie. I'm just gonna leave it over here again. And the reason for the fairing looked like that is because in our last race we had some major issues on the brakes. I lost all the braking powers, and probably it's due to the heat that were in the calipers. Here I'm actually taking these pistons out of the calipers. As you can see here inside there. These ones are made of aluminium. They're quite light, but they do develop a lot of heat and also contain a lot of heat. So we're gonna swap them out for some steel made from the Yamaha Thunder Race actually. So hopefully we won't have any issues with the brakes this year. Not sponsored. And I do like gadgets, and that's why I bought myself a 3D printer. And here's another 3D print I've made just to try to make kind of look like this one. Another thing is I made a battery case to go here, but I actually used the original one so I can use the flips, and just made an adapter for my battery. I made this board going up from here down here. I think this is a bad sign. Wait. Are you telling me that I'm back in hell? And why am I back here in hell? What happened to all the parts that I was going to mount? The parts that I was going to 3D print? I'm going to tell you why I'm back here in hell and why you didn't see any of the parts that I was going to mount in the next video. As always, please subscribe to this channel and also hit that thumbs up on this video. That helps me a lot. And I hope to see you in the next video. where I'm going to explain you why you didn't see so much of the bike in this video. So for now, thank you and see you in the next one.